Want easy drinks that actually support fat loss? I'll show you 5 simple recipes, when to drink them and why they work. Try them daily and pair them with a healthy diet. Quick heads up, none of these are miracle cures. They support digestion, curb cravings, and help metabolism when combined with a good diet and movement. I'll give exact recipes, timing, and safety tips. Let's go. Warm water, not boiling. Add ACV, lemon, ginger, stir. Hydration, plus ACV may help appetite control. Lemon plus ginger support digestion and give a gentle metabolic kick. Sip first thing on an empty stomach, 20-30 minutes before breakfast. Start with 1 TSP ACV if sensitive. Always dilute. Rinse mouth with plain water afterwards. Chop the apple, add it to the pot with the cinnamon stick and turmeric. Pour 2 cups of water, simmer 10 minutes, then strain into a cup. Cinnamon and turmeric have modest evidence for supporting glucose control and reducing inflammation. A warm brew soothes digestion before bed. Drink about 30 minutes before bed. Don't overuse turmeric if you're on blood thinners. Consult your doctor. 1 tablespoon chia seeds with 150 milliliter water. Soak 10 minutes, then drain. Add 150 milliliter lukewarm water, juice of half a lime, and 1 TSP honey. Stir and serve. Soaked chia forms a gel that increases fullness and slows stomach emptying. Helps cut late morning cravings. Drink first thing or before meals to reduce portion size. Safety. Don't swallow dry chia. Always soak. Green tea catechins, plus gentle caffeine boost fat oxidation. Lemon and mint improve digestion and flavor. Morning or early afternoon, not right before bed if caffeine sensitive. Here's an easy daily schedule. Morning, fasted, ACV lemon ginger or chia hydrator. With breakfast or mid-morning, green detox smoothie. Afternoon, green tea, plus mint, avoid late if sensitive. Night, 30 mins before bed. Apple cinnamon turmeric brew. Mix and match based on your routine. Consistency matters more than perfection. Small studies suggest cinnamon, green tea, and vinegar can modestly help blood sugar and metabolism. But the biggest driver of fat loss is a calorie deficit plus strength training. Use drinks as supportive tools. If you're pregnant, nursing, have ulcers, kidney disease, or take meds, blood thinners, diabetes, diuretics, check with your doctor before daily use. Protect tooth enamel. Dilute acidic drinks and rinse after. Try this routine for 7 to 14 days. Comment which drink you'll start with. Like and subscribe for more recipes and challenges. See you next video.